Hello students, in this video we will see how to create one screen where there are some menus and there is a container. So how to create one screen like design by using graphics inside Turbo C. So I am drawing rectangle here from first coordinate to 450 and 400. We know by default color of drawing is white. So we see here some width we need to increase and some height. So I am increasing here 640 width and 420 is height, and again I am compiling. So width is somewhat extra, so I am reducing some 10 pixels and see the output. So this is our screen now. We are giving color to this screen, like our Turbo C3 screen color means blue. So for this I am setting the fill style solid color, and we know the blue color code is 1, and after this I am using flood fill, giving 1 point inside the rectangle as 20, 20, and border color we know which is 50. So one filled rectangle we see here. Now I want some menus at the top where one bar, gray bar is there, and on that gray bar we want some menus. Then we create one bar inside this rectangle. So I am using here bar function, bar, then 22 because my rectangle starts from 10 pixels, so I am using here 12, and width, my rectangle width is 630, so I'm reducing 2 pixels from it, so I'm giving here 628, and height I'm giving here 20 only. One bar. Our bar color is also blue, so we can't recognize it, so I'm changing the set fill style 1 and gray color. For gray color there is 7 color is for gray, and see height we need to increase only, so I am increasing from 20 to 50, and see the effect. Yes, this is not what I actually want, so I am reducing some height. Okay, then if I want some text on this bar, then how we can write this? We know we use out text xy function for displaying text inside the screen, and give your location where you want to display the text. So I am using here 15 pixels, and my first menu is file, then see the effect. My drawing color is by default white, so we can change it to black as well. So set color to black means 0, and I'm increasing the Y index, and see the output. Okay, we can change the X value as well. So in this way we can create our menu screen. We can copy paste. I'm copy pasting multiple times and giving the menus. Only I'm changing the menus and some positions. First menu I want file, then like Turbo C3 screen I'm using edit, then search, and then run, and then compile. In this way, if I run this, see, so this is the output. We need to reduce Y value because it not displayed at the center of the bar. So this is the output. So in this way you can create your screen by using C Graphics. So create your screens like this.